To my YouTube channel. It's PTG on the mic, Patson T Gwamura. Today we are shooting our video. This is video number 100. So this is 100th video, guys. Thank you very much for being patient on this channel. More is coming. Okay, so this video we're gonna be covering the track by Leonard Dembo called Mazano. Okay, so I found this track in the key of C. I like to break my rhythms into parts so that it can be easier. So first let me just play it for 30 seconds or so. Okay, so our first part, I'm gonna put the tape at the end of the video. This is the first part. Okay, sorry for the noise, guys. And then for the second part, so this one is that's the first one. Second one, so it's so Mr. Njiro, when you're playing rhythm, like I always say, you put different variations into that rhythm. So he was not playing like a straightforward rhythm, but he was just taking a note there and a note there and a note. So it's